Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Wawa store website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in store.wawa.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wawa store website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Just type in your email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the continue button. After you click on continue, you will be asked to enter the login code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your inbox and you will find this login code. Just enter this login code within the given box and then click on the submit button. And now you will be logged in to your existing account on the Wawa store right away. And you can now start shopping directly from the store website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Wawa store website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.